We can now start. Start फिनिश करने की.
Just
Yeah, please start.
the poem, right?
Your introduction. Please introduce.
Introduction. Okay. My name is Anushka Negi and I'm from Dehradun. And writing is like a hobby. So I write poems and stuff, but I haven't spoken before like in public or anything like that. So I'm just a bit nervous.
Okay, so you can just start with your poetry now.
Okay. Um, Today I've written about how we grow in love. So it goes like this. Do you remember the very first time you opened your eyes to see the world that lay before your sight? Dynamic pictures, proud smiles, colors blending into white. You fell in love, didn't you? The flowers you watered, the saplings you nurtured, the birds that sung to you in the crimsons of sun and in the hues of blue. You fell in love with the yellows, in which you swirl like the spring itself. You fell in love with the stars when you gazed at the constellations seeming not too far. Those handsome, charming faces that lured you in your teens, yet you waited for the one of your dreams. You fell in love with a high school sweetheart, swearing him that you shall never part. Then with another face, pretending to be in love when you fancied the chase. The chase for life, the chase for desire, the chase hunger of passion that kindled your insides. Transitory as love seemed, you moved on in life. By now, you mastered the feelings, assuming love was nothing but a Bollywood engagement the soul, leaving nothing but a satisfaction behind. The more you indulged in physical pleasures, you became numb to the feelings of any kind. Chaos and disorder soon took over as pride, driving the same tedious road every day to your boring life. The fun, the spark, the light was nothing but ashes now, driving back to those memory lanes you wish to see stranger again, to meet, to talk, to fall in love like the old times. Perhaps asking yourself, why don't we love the we used to when we were 21? Why don't we believe in magic like we used to when we were 4? Why does the idea of forever scares us now when we vowed to each other an eternity at 18, not wondering how? If this is the price we pay for growing up, then I shall forever remain bankrupt. Thank you.
A very beautiful poem. Didn't seem that it was your first time.
I've practiced a lot, but yeah, I was nervous.
Happened with me also.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Now, who wants to come? Can so you can just turn on the camera and come. Glossy music touching. If you want, you can just turn on the camera and mic and start.
Okay.
Please turn the camera as well if possible. Okay, introduce and then start.
Okay. This is Jasleen from Glossy Musing. First of all, I would like to congratulate Akshat. He is taking this step to unite us all here on this platform. It's a great initiative, and I have been writing poems it's been now 3 years I'm writing poems, and I have 250 of them in English. But today, I would like to share something in Hindi with you. Can
Okay.
I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just a little one. लॉकडाउन की कहानी है लॉकडाउन की कहानी है याद तुम्हारी आती है उम्मीद की भी उम्मीद नहीं मिलेंगे कब कोई तारीख नहीं दूर थे जो रिश्ते अब और दूर हो गए खुद से मेरी बातें अब और गहरी हो गईं उसने दिया है सबक सिखा उसने दिया है सबक सिखा ऐसे नहीं तो वैसे हो जुदा शोर नहीं महफिल नहीं तेरी आवाज नहीं गूंज भी नहीं आंखें बंद करने की अब जरूरत महसूस होती नहीं क्योंकि ख्वाबों में भी तेरी तस्वीर और धुंधली हो गई कह दिया है खुद को मैंने कह दिया है खुद को अब बात दिल की सुननी नहीं बात दिल की सुननी नहीं फिर भी याद तुम्हारी जाती नहीं याद तुम्हारी जाती नहीं थैंक यू
A very heart touching poem. So it was very nice.
थैंक यू
Now who wants to come? Now who wants to come? So now Khushi Gupta, would you like to perform?
Yeah, sure, Akshay.
Please,
Hello,
please turn the
everyone. My name.
camera, please.
Oh, hello, everyone. My name is Khushi, and I am writing from last 6 months. I precisely write in Hindi only, and और मैं हिंदी में ही बोलना पसंद करती हूँ. और मेरी कविता का नाम है सच क्या है. बहुत बार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये दूसरा पर्सन जो जो दूसरा आदमी है वो सच बोल रहा है या जो मुझे लगता है वो सच है. तो इसी असमंजस और इसी प्रॉब्लम में am I
Khushi, there
audible?
is very blurring. Voice is not clear actually. You can just try reconnecting.
Okay, then give me like 5 minutes.
Yeah, till then we can have someone else. Uh, till the time Khushi is joining, we can have Sneh Mehta. Please turn the mic on. Please, Sneh. Your mic is off. We can't hear you. Please turn it on. What the fuck? What's the your mic is off. We can't hear you. So till that time we can have Nishtha Malik.
Oh, hello everyone. I can't switch on my camera because there is some problem. I'm
No
using my
problem.
PC and
No problem.
yes. So I've been writing poems since class 7th, well now I'm in 10th, but I haven't written that many poems, but I feel the first poem you write is the most special one. And I've written one on a girl who just recovered or just came out of a rape, and I just feel that these are some of the issues which need to explained and be talked about more in the society. So I should just begin with it. So it just a second. The title is The Sunken Heart. All alone in the crowd she stood, hoping to see a glimpse of good. She never wondered what could be the result. She never wondered this could be her insult. With tears in her eyes and sweat on her face, she returned home after a long phase. Her father said something that she didn't hear. Her mother was weeping but never shed a tear. She was being blamed for that filthy act of those boys was roaming in night so offensive that all the people suddenly became so oppressive. A sunken heart and a soulless body was all left with her that she took away to the abode of heaven. A sunken heart and a soulless body was all left with her that she took away to the abode of heaven. Thank you.
Very nice poem. It was very beautiful and hard. Well, so now
Hello.
hello. Now you can introduce your start.
Is I'm audible?
Yeah. I'm gonna start.
Akshat.
Yes, you're audible. You can start. What happened?
ओके सो मेरा नाम स्नेह है। मैं सिरसा में रहती हूँ, हरियाणा का छोटा सा सिटी है। एंड प्रेफर करती हूँ मैं हिंदी, बेसिकली हिंदी में ही लिखती हूँ। एंड व्हेन आई वाज इन 7th तब से लिख रही हूँ, एंड नाउ मेरी ग्रेजुएशन भी कंप्लीट हो गई है एंड अब तक मैं लिख ही रही हूँ। सो आज का मेरा जो पीस है वो है लव, थीम लव है कि बॉय पूछता है गर्ल से कि तुझे मुझसे प्यार कैसे हुआ, तो गर्ल उसको एक्सप्लेन करती है। सो हियर वी गोस। एक हंसमुख हंसता चेहरा तेरा, एक हंसमुख हंसता चेहरा तेरा, एक ना समझा सा दिल था मेरा। एक हंसमुख हंसता चेहरा तेरा, एक ना समझा सा दिल था मेरा। जब देखा पहली बार तुझे था, जब देखा पहली बार तुझे था, मेरा जाने क्यों वक्त था ठहरा। देख तेरी आंखों में खुद को, देख तेरी आंखों में खुद को, मेरा ही दिल कहीं खो गया मुझसे। अब तू ही बता दे मेरे जाना, कैसे प्यार ना होता तुझसे। अब इन आंखों में हर लम्हा इंतजार तेरा ही रहता है। जब तक ना देखूं चेहरा तेरा, दिल मेरा मायूसी सहता है। तेरी मुस्कान से शाम ढलती है मेरी, तेरी हंसी से दिन बन जाता है। धड़कन ना काबू रहती मेरी, जब भी तू मुझे बुलाता है। और थामा मेरा हाथ तूने जब, और थामा मेरा हाथ तूने जब, कैसे जोड़ा था खुद को मुझसे। अब तू ही बता दे मेरे जाना, कैसे प्यार ना होता तुझसे, कैसे प्यार ना होता तुझसे। जो रूठ कभी मैं जाऊं तो वो कभी ना मनाना तेरा, पर मेरी खुशी में खुश होके वो हक से गले लगाना तेरा। मुझे बैठा पास बड़े प्यार से, तुम हर बात समझाते हो। तुम भी तो मुझे अपनी समझ मेरी झल्ली बुलाते हो। तेरा साथ पाके अब लगने लगे सपने सच मुझसे। अब तू ही बता दे मेरे जाना, कैसे प्यार ना होता तुझसे, कैसे प्यार ना होता तुझसे। एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
A very beautiful and heart-touching poem, and we just loved your voice as well. Thank you for participating. Now we can have Khushi Gupta if she has fixed her out.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're now audible.
Okay.
Just a second,
तो
Khushi.
मेरा नाम
Yeah, now you can start. If there is
तो मेरा नाम खुशी गुप्ता
camera,
है. Akshat, I'm not able to open my
No
camera. I
problem.
have changed the device and the
No
camera is not
problem.
working.
No problem.
तो मेरा नाम खुशी गुप्ता है. मैं हिंदी में लिखना और बोलना पसंद करती हूँ. और पहले तो मैं अक्षत को कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी उसके यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए और उसने जो ओपन माइक ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. और आज की मेरी जो कविता है उसका शीर्षक है सच क्या है. अक्सर हम लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि जो मैं मानती हूँ वो सच है या जो दूसरा वाला सोचता है वो सच है. तो उसी असमंजस पे मैंने एक कविता लिखी है जो कि कुछ ऐसे है. दुनिया की बातों में मैं फंसी एक दिन बहुत बुरी, तलवारी को ना आका मैंने और शब्दों को बना दी छुरी. दुनिया कहे झूठ गलत है, झूठ गलत है ये बात सच ठहरी. असमंजस में दुनिया देखो सच्चा झूठ कहती रहे. धन्यवाद.
खुशी, आपने छोटे से पंक्तियों में बहुत बड़ी बात कह डाली और जिस तरह के आपके एक्सप्रेशन आवाज़ में आ रहे थे बहुत खूबसूरत थे. Now Yuvika has left. Yuvika, would you like to start?
Yeah. So I'm Yuvika Miklani,
Is your mic
and
working?
I
Camera
started writing poems when I was in class 7. It started as a headache for me because we were given an assignment to write a poem, and a real difficult task for me. And now
Yuvika,
it's kind of a
can you open the
passion.
camera?
I'm sorry, Akshat, but I'm using my PC and the camera is not working.
Okay, no problem.
So this poem is kind of about hypocrisy or masquerades that people hold. So I'll get started with it. Everybody has a story to tell behind the masquerade they hold, and a sense of deeds to compel, hidden between the fancy ballroom dancing to uphold. Surprises are yet to come. Irony is left to be seen. Can be a beauty within the beast, or a moral whose venom is waiting to be released. That's it. I hope you guys like it.
Yeah, it was very lovely poem. And thank you, Yuvika. So I would like to tell you that I would also like to present one of my poetry. It is my poetry that I've done latest, and I hope many of you have seen it also on my Instagram. So I would like to start. यह कर्मा है, यह कर्मा है उसका जो तुमने धरती के साथ किया है. ये कर्मा है उन पेड़ों की बलि का जो तुमने चढ़ाई थी. ये कर्मा है उन मासूम जानवरों की जान लेने का. ये गलती करने की तुम्हें चेतावनी मिली थी तूफानों बाढ़ के रूपों में. ये संकेत देखकर भी तुम सुधरे नहीं तो धरती माँ को क्रोध आया. उन्होंने तुम्हें दंड दिया अलग अलग रूपों में, कभी ऑस्ट्रेलियन बुशफायर तो कभी कोविड-19 में. अब तुम कहोगे कि माँ बच्चों से बदला नहीं लेती, पर मैं मानता हूँ गलतियों पर दंड ज़रूर देती है, गलतियों पर दंड ज़रूर देती है. धन्यवाद. So, can anybody share his or her feedback about the session?
Yes, Akshat, I think the next time when we have it, we can have more people and it would be really great. But it's a very good platform to be here. I'm very thankful to you uh, because I feel such obliged to be here and to be speaking in front of these people that I barely know, except a few. But yes, it was so great, and I hope next time there are more people who can share whatever they've written. And because writing has the power to change the mind, that's what I believe. So, for that,
I believe same, but this time I intentionally had less people so that I can just have. It's the first time I'm organizing something like that, so nothing goes out of the handle. So that's why it was less people. Okay. So if anybody wants to share anything else, they can do. Otherwise, we can just stop the session now.
Hi, should I say something to everyone?
Yes.
Um, uh, Everyone here, I think you are in schools or colleges, I think, yes?
Yes.
I think I'm the eldest from you all, but it's really good to see you here. And taking youngsters' initiative like this is really nice to see. And congratulations, Akshat, and congratulations to everyone,
Thank you,
especially
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
yeah.
you.
So it's really good to see you all over here. And next time, whenever it is, I would really love to join in again. And I was really thinking that I don't know who all would be there, and I don't know what kind of an interest would you guys will be having along. So I just wrote on lockdown for you guys, but still I have so many romantic poems on my page. That is Alira Dreams. Would love if we just come over and see and give your comments in that
Sure, ma'am. Sure,
for
I'll check
all
it
the
out.
youngsters who are in colleges and schools. I think they'll just love it. Okay, and thank you, Akshat, and logging out now. Bye. Stay blessed. Have fun.
Okay, so if anybody wants to speak anything else, they can. Otherwise, we can just leave.